No, I'm braids. Hello. Hi. I'm good.
Good baby, good.
Yeah.
The baby had a teeth?
No.
Boy or girl?
Boy.
Hey Papa, how's the baby? How's the baby? What a nice smiley baby. How's the baby? Your package for you. Your package ready? No, tell me not nice. How are you today?
Thank you. Oh yeah, let's go for the purse.
Oh, the purse. I'm gonna be a money man. First we want. Pay me. You gonna pay me? You gonna pay uncle? Huh? How are you? How's the holidays?
That's good.
And gone. What's good?
It's good.
Nothing special? Huh?
I'm a good fella.
I thought today I Saturday. What kind of soup you have?
I'm not cooking any soup today.
You not drink
I've
soup on
worked.
Saturday? Oh, you have work, so because you have work and have to eat, no?
But not the time I'm at work, so.
So because you have work and have got time to eat?
Not the time for cook.
Oh, you have
I
no
would
time
eat.
to cook.
But I
Oh,
don't
you
do-
sustain your body then if you have no time, I don't understand. Watch this one and eat the first.
Hey.
Brand new season, my first season. Anyway, won't keep you for much longer. Just want to say, wish that you have a wonderful, productive year. And thanks for being a part of the family.
Thank you.
No, leave him, man. Let him, man. Eat off the purse. Eat off the purse,
Don't
yeah,
eat
daddy.
the purse.
Eat off all of the purse. Because a purse mama buy.
It's not
Purse. It's a purse mama buy. Anyway, we're not going to keep them that long. Have fun with it. Peace out.